Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you control the phone number registered with Telegram. That's the primary key. Once done, insert the SIM or enable SMS on that number and keep any device already logged into Telegram handy. Make sure you remember a two-step verification password if you set one and locate saved recovery codes. Now open Telegram on the device where you can receive messages, because the next step is to request the live verification code or a verification call. When you request a code, Telegram first sends an SMS. If that fails, choose the Call Me option so an automated voice reads the code. If you have another device already logged into your account, open Telegram there and read the code shown in the active sessions or chats. This bypasses email entirely. If two-step verification is enabled, you must enter that secondary password after the received code, so keep it accessible. These options ensure access without using Gmail codes. Finish by entering the received verification code, and if prompted, the two-step verification password to unlock Telegram. Once in, immediately add a secondary phone number or save recovery codes to avoid future lockouts and remove dependence on any single email provider. If you still cannot get a code, use a device that's already logged in to open settings, right arrow help to contact Telegram support, or request assistance from a trusted friend who can relay messages from your active session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.